Just want to make this video for all the 4Runner and GX owners with a 4.7 V8. I was doing the timing belt and water pump, and this engine was leaking oil everywhere, as you can tell by my oil pan. It's just completely caked in oil. So I didn't know that there was a O-ring behind this oil pump, and in order to get to this you need to drop the oil pan, which means you got to drop the front differential, and that's not enough because you also have to drop the steering rack. So this one weekend job obviously turned into a 1 week job. But yeah, I just want to say that it is doable in the car. You can drop the upper oil pan. Once you have the steering rack out of there, you can drop it down and then rotate it 90 degrees, and then it'll slide out of this hole here. Absolute nightmare of a job. So this is the O-ring you're after. It sits in there. This little piece will take you several hours to remove. Here's the oil pump. It sits right here. And this is what I pulled off of it. It's completely hardened and it cracked into several pieces coming out of there. I was debating on not changing that, and I just don't think that I'd be able to sleep at night knowing that this is probably going to leak onto the new timing belt and throw oil everywhere again. So do it right, do it once. I did order this Felpro front seal kit, and it came with the oil pickup tube gasket, front main seal, and the oil filter housing seal. Yeah, best of luck if you're tackling this. It is doable at home. It's definitely not fun though.